In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove a hyperlink from a PDF online. Now this is a very simple solution and I would honestly do it this way compared to any other way because it is free and easy. So here we have an example PDF and I've just linked a certain part of the text here. So when we click on this part of the text, it's just going to link to Google. I just created this for the example. So now let's remove this link very easily online. So there are a couple of different ways that you can do this, but I'm going to show you a way which is free, which everyone has access to. So go to Google and just type in Canva. Now Canva is a image and video editing online platform. It is completely free. So all you need to do is go ahead and sign up for a free Canva account. Once you go to canva.com, it will probably prompt you to sign in with your Google account, or you can just create a free account. Now don't worry if it looks overwhelming. All we have to do is click on create a design, then click on upload, then click upload files, then choose the PDF that you want to edit, then click open, and it will then open that PDF, and it should then take you inside the PDF editor. If it doesn't though, you'll see your design in recent designs, so go ahead and then click on your PDF, then head in to the PDF in a new tab by clicking this button here. Now we're in the PDF, and now you can go ahead and just close out of anything which isn't relevant. Now, if you zoom in using this bar here, you can see that we have the link here. And if you click on this text box, it actually shows that this link is still active. Now, if we wanted to remove this, you will click on the text box where the link is. You can then click on the three dots and then you can see edit link. Click edit link. Then I would just click on remove. Now your link will be gone, but you might have this line which may be annoying and it doesn't look the most visually pleasing. So what I would do is I would just click on this text box and you can just quickly move it out of the way. Then you can click on this line and then click delete, and there you go, the line's gone. Then just move your text box back, and the good thing about Canva is you can kind of like be precise with your movements, so that looks good. Now once we're done and we've removed the link, we can go share. In the top right hand corner, we can go download, make sure you're on PDF standard, click download again, and then it's going to ask where you want to save it, click save, and then once it has downloaded, if you then open the new PDF, you can see now the link has disappeared and everything is back to normal. So that's how you can remove a link online for free. I hope that video did help you out.